Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use PayRange on vending machine. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use PayRange on vending machine, the first thing that you will need is a PayRange enabled vending machine, a smartphone, PayRange app installed, Bluetooth turned on, payment method added on the PayRange app. So next step that you need to do is simply head over and open up the App Store, then on the search bar type in PayRange and look for an app icon like this on the search list, and then simply tap on it and then tap on the get button and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on open, and now here sign up or log in to your account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom right if you haven't added a payment method by tapping on add funds or payment methods and select debit or credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay if available, PayRange prepaid USD or PayRange prepaid CAD. Then some locations require a minimum balance of $5. The next is to turn on your Bluetooth by dropping down your control center and turning on the Bluetooth option and stand very close to the vending machine, like 1 to 2 meters. The next is to connect to the vending machine. You can connect in two ways by simply tapping on the barcode scanner icon on the top right corner of the screen, then scan the QR code on the machine, or simply tap on nearby and select the vending machine shown on your screen. The next is to select your item or enter the item code, for example A3B7, or select the item in the app if supported. The next is to pay by simply confirming the price, then tapping on pay and the payment is deducted instantly. You see your payment successful. Then lastly, collect your item from the vending machine. We will dispense your item, take your item for the pay, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.